The great debate: cardio versus weightlifting for weight loss? Are you struggling to decide between cardio and weightlifting for weight loss? The answer might surprise you. Cardio and resistance training are both popular workouts, but which one is more effective for your goals? To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. But how you burn those calories can make a big difference. Did you know that bicycling at an intense pace can burn around 295 calories in just 30 minutes? On the other hand, lifting weights for the same duration might only burn around 110 calories. However, the more you weigh, the more calories you burn. This means your weight loss journey is unique to you. Typically, a cardio workout burns more calories than a weight training session of the same length. But don't count out weight training just yet. It's more effective at building lean muscle, which burns more calories at rest. Building muscle can increase your resting metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you're not working out. The calorie-burning benefits of weight training extend beyond the gym. Your body continues to burn calories as it recovers and repairs muscle tissue. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can burn 25–30% more calories than traditional cardio or weight training. HIIT workouts can be as short as 10–30 minutes and can include exercises like running, biking, or even weightlifting. Research shows that HIIT and traditional cardio can reduce body fat and waist circumference similarly. Adults need at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity per week and 2 days of strength training for overall health. Physical activity includes anything that gets your body moving, from gardening to dancing to swimming. Weight training can lead to an increase in muscle mass and a decrease in fat mass, changing your body composition. Cardio training improves heart health, manages blood pressure, and boosts your mood while burning fat. Combining weights and cardio, including HIIT, can help you lose weight, burn fat, and improve your health. To lose belly fat, HIIT might be your best bet. To tone muscles, weight training is key. Consistency in exercise and a balanced diet are essential for long-term weight loss and maintenance. Transform your confidence, boost your energy, and achieve your goals with a balanced approach to fitness and nutrition.